Carpet remains one of the most popular luxurious floor coverings around, and thanks to Express Flooring, getting exactly what you want is easier than ever. Design consultant Andy Edinson is here with some great samples. Andy, I love when you come in because you always bring these huge carpet samples. Tell me a little bit about what we're seeing.
Well, the idea of these large samples is they represent everything that we stock, and you know, we have so much more, but here's what I could just bring here.
All you can carry.
That's right. But if you notice the size of the samples, they come right off rolls that we stock locally here in Phoenix. So what does that mean? Well, if you're in a crunch and you need a flooring installed quickly, let's say you need a carpet installed tomorrow, we actually could come out the next day and put one of these beautiful carpets in your home or more.
Well, and I think a lot of people just get excited. They're ready for a new carpet, and why not get it as quickly as possible?
Correct. And the big thing about the samples, let me show you an example. Here's a typical kind of sample book. How do you pick colors? People complain all the time, you know, in a regular flooring environment. How do you pick colors off these little samples?
Well, they're so small. And then Murphy's Law is always that I like the one way in the middle, and I can't get anything next to it because it's, you know, so cumbersome.
That's right. And you know, and they look different. You bring them in your home, you put them on the floor, and then when you get the whole thing installed, you go, I don't remember that color being this dark or that light. So the large sample solves all that problem.
And so this is what you actually bring into my home, are these big giant samples like this. And then I can see what it looks like with my paint and my furniture.
That's right. And look at all the different styles that we stock so much.
Yeah, you've got a ton of different types of carpet here.
These are loop cut, so you get a bit of a pattern out of those.
And what are some of the things I should look for when I'm selecting carpet? What would this be good for?
This would be great for office area, for more active kind of areas, family rooms, stuff like that. Some people do whole house with it, but mainly it's for those more walked-in areas that need more durability than just a standard plush and things of that sort.
And then you have things down here like Berber, too.
There's a Berber style, and your Berber style, and look at all the colors we have and all these things, and your Berber styles are a complete loop pattern. There's no cut to them. And that's really what makes them a Berber.
Why do you find that people like carpet still so much?
Well, the value is tremendous. You get so much flooring for the value. And then people shy away from carpets sometimes because they go, oh, the staining and everything else. Any of our carpets are all labeled and fully labeled. And if you look at those labels, you'll see they've got lifetime stain resistance on them. They got anti-static, anti-fade. We've got wear warranties, pet warranties, guaranteed urine to come out of them.
Unbelievable. Some really great warranties there to add to the value of your carpet. And Andy, you've got a special going on right now, too.
We do. If they say they saw me on the show, they'll get an additional 10% off. Just mention Andy. That's all when you call in.
Well, Andy, thank you for being here. If you want more information on Express Flooring, you can visit their website, expressflooring.com, or call them at 1-800-EXPRESS.